So a little less than a week ago, it was about 105 degrees out here in Paso Robles, California. And we noticed in the afternoon and early evening, when it started to get a little dark, that our lights were flickering for some reason, and occasionally I'd hear a little noise. So I come out to investigate that night, and I removed the quarter panel from the air conditioner to find this mess. As you can see, a bit of burned out carnage. Contactor, this starter helper, whatever it's called, some wiring, and the end of a capacitor sticking out, if you can see it there. So thankfully it didn't catch fire beyond the quarter of the air conditioner, which is a Weather King installed in 2002. So we're going to see what can be done about this mess. Back at the old Weather King air conditioner after about a half days of work, which was yesterday. Of course, I ordered new parts, cleaned up the interior of the quarter panel as best I could, and here we have a new contactor slash relay that I installed, and next to that a new PTCR. Can't remember what PTCR stands for. Basically a thermal regulator, like a thermistor, that is installed new on a new little bracket. There's a capacitor hidden back in there that tested good, so I did not need to replace it. The next step that I'm going to replace is this breaker, which I think probably failed, and there's another breaker on the side of the house on the main panel for the air conditioner, which I'm also going to replace. But it was super hot. You know, the way these thermal regulators, this PTCR, works is it allows current to flow through it, voltage, really fast, and then it heats up, and then this helps assist the compressor motor to start. So it stays hot, like 200 degrees hot when its air conditioner is running. But look at this. The top is just blown off. It's ceramic. It looks like it exploded under duress, and so of course the breaker should have opened up. Wires were melted. This is the contactor. It didn't fare too much better under all that heat. It got a little bit melted. And this is the metal bracket that the PTCR was in. You can see it just melted the upper end. It's hard for me to understand the archaic design of these air conditioners. Probably millions of them in place today in America using these same parts. So I blame it mostly on probably the circuit breaker that should have popped, as this thing kept going. But I'm really lucky. You see the proximity of that thing. Of course, it's covered with a metal quarter panel, but to the house, that thing had caught fire. Could have been a bad situation. So just FYI, if you happen to have a similar air conditioner, you might take a look at your parts there. Have a air conditioning professional come out and look, make sure this doesn't happen to you. That's it for now.